Dive is a water-based line that is perfect for summer hydration. It's designed to go into the skin, penetrate the skin really quickly to give you a refreshing, like instant hydration feel. So after I wash my face, I use the Deep Dive Thirst Quenching Water Essence. And this is a toner made with hyaluronic acid, and it really helps maintain your skin's moisture barrier. And not only does it hydrate and penetrate deep into the skin to give you instant hydration, it keeps your skin moisturized and protected all day long. So I put usually like 4 to 5 drops in the palm of my hands, and then I kind of like rub it into my hands and I tap it into my skin. So next I'm going to use the Deep Dive Water Cream, and this cream gives you the feeling of instant hydration that melts into skin. It's a really comfortable gel texture, and it's also alcohol-free and fragrance-free, so it's perfect for sensitive skin. So it has this flexible gel-like texture that's super smooth, and if you can see, it just like melts when you rub into your skin. It just like instantly creates this moisture. It's super hydrating, super comfortable, perfect for sensitive skin. So I like to put a little bit there. And then you just can rub it in. And it kind of has that melting feeling where it just like sinks into your skin. Voila. So lastly we have the Happy Pills, and these are expandable cotton sheet masks. So I like to use this with the Deep Dive Thirst Quenching Water Essence. So then this cute little tablet. So I'm going to put a bunch of drops in my hand and then let it soak that up. And then usually I'll drop a couple more until I feel it expanding. And then you just pull it apart. And then you have the mask, and then you just apply it as you would if you